U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 11. Question 1. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury. B. Bromine. C. Gallium. D. Both A and C. Answer: D. Both A and C. Question 2. What is the chemical name for baking soda? A. Sodium carbonate. B. Sodium bicarbonate. C. Sodium hydroxide. D. Sodium chloride. Answer: B. Sodium bicarbonate. Question 3. Which element has the chemical symbol K? A. Potassium. B. Phosphorus. C. Krypton. D. Calcium. Answer: A. Potassium. If you got the first 3 right, hit like and subscribe for more quizzes. Question 4. What type of bond exists in water molecules? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Metallic bond. D. Hydrogen bond. Answer: B. Covalent bond. Question 5. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer: C. Carbon dioxide. Question 6. What is the formula for ammonia? A. NH2. B. NH3. C. NH4. D. NO2. Answer: B. NH3. If you got this 6 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe for more challenges. Question 7. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? A. Copper. B. Aluminum. C. Gold. D. Silver. Answer: D. Silver. Question 8. What is the study of carbon compounds called? A. Inorganic chemistry. B. Organic chemistry. C. Physical chemistry. D. Analytical chemistry. Answer: B. Organic chemistry. Question 9. Which element has the highest melting point? A. Tungsten. B. Iron. C. Copper. D. Gold. Answer: A. Tungsten. Question 10. What is the chemical formula for methane? A. CH3. B. CH4. C. C2H4. D. C2H6. Answer: B. CH4. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Subscribe and comment below.